Alright guys, so I'm going to be doing an EDC update. I haven't done one in a little while and I got some new stuff. So I'm just going to jump right into it. Going to explain a bit more of why I carry what I carry than I normally have. Hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. I'd really like video responses of what you carry or what your EDC is. But here we go. I'm going to be starting with my wallet. This is the Max Edition Micro Wallet. I have a review on this. It's very small, very thin. I really like it. Tiny bit of cash. But to protect my ID and stuff, I did put this in front. If you guys can see right there, I keep some extra doggy bags for my dog. Got some extra paper right there, just in case I forget to bring some. I've got this flag patch, which is from my uncle, that he sent me when he was in the service. So, and the other thing, normally I keep a minimal med kit in the back. I need to replace stuff because I've had cuts on my hands. I burned myself pretty bad a couple weeks ago. You can see kind of the remains of that. I burned myself all the way up there and all the way down up there from fryer oil at work because I made a stupid mistake. But that's why you learn at least basic first aid. If I hadn't done what I had done, I would have lost all that skin and I would have had to gone to the emergency room. So it's good stuff to learn. This is just a cheap pin light from Home Depot. Costs about $10. I do need to replace it with like a Streamlight micro stream, or I can't remember what the larger size is called at the moment, but something like that. Just because, I mean, this works, but it's not as reliable. It kind of gets shaky because whatever it is loose in there, so that it kind of like winks in and out sometimes if I move it really fast. Next thing I carry is this Leatherman Style CS, just a review on that. Mainly just carry it for those scissors. I really like having a full-size pair of scissors on me. Next thing, this is my keychain. I did take my house key and my car key off. I'll be doing a review on this. This is the, if it wants to focus, Gerber dime multi-tool, and I carry this because it is a nice little pair of spring-loaded pliers. Review on that soon. And also, if those scissors were to break, I've got an extra little pair right there, just in case. Next is my newest knife, and these multi-tools will change out sometimes. Sometimes instead of this, I'll carry my Victorinox Super Tinker. This I also just did a review on. It's the Kershaw Link 1776. Really love this knife. Really love it. Next thing I've got, it's just a Bic lighter. Again, this will change. I would normally carry a Zippo, but I ran out of fuel. Next item is this paracord bracelet. It's a thin blue line. I got it because it reminds me of my grandpa. he was a cop, so got that. It's always useful to have paracord. The last thing is my sunglasses, which is these ugly Jupiters. You can't really tell on camera, but it's got a blue lens. It's like that color. They're prescription, so these are the only ones I have. And I need to update, and I have another pair that's older, but it's an old prescription. I keep that in there. Sometimes I will carry, I've got another keychain. It's in my car right now. I'll do a review on that, but it's just like keychain gear. It's got a space pen, rescue me, rescue tool, Gerber shard. I think that's it. But yeah, this is without a doubt I'll have on me. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Again, like, comment, share, subscribe. Have a great day.